We celebrate Teachers' Day to show our gratitude and respect for our teachers. It is an annual celebration on 5th September, the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Every country of the world has its own Teachers' Day. World Teachers' Day falls on 5th October. India is celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September since 1962. India is celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September since 1962. On this occasion, people decorate the statues of Dr. Radhakrishnan and other notable scholars. Teachers get a day off from their routine work. Students from all over India celebrate the day with great enthusiasm. Students honor their teachers and gifts them as a token of respect. According to the Indian calendar, 5th September is dedicated to the teacher annually. Every country worldwide has chosen its day for the celebration since 1994, and after the recommendation of UNESCO, the world celebrates Teachers' Day on 5th October. Every student greets his teachers with flowers, gifts, and also delivers a speech dedicating them. On Teachers' Day, we get the opportunity to respect and recognize the hard work of our teachers. Its celebration concerns to promote the value and principles of a true teacher. Teachers are the architect of the society and guiding light for the nation, and Teachers' Day helps us to recognize this. Every student celebrates it with great joy, respect, and excitement. Schools honor their best teachers with trophies and gifts. Everyone becomes part of the Teachers' Day and shows their respect and gratitude towards these teachers. Teachers' Day across the world is a mark of respect to teachers in society. Teaching is the most responsible and influential job. On the Teachers' Day, we acknowledge our teachers' contribution to society and the nation. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan was a teacher, and his students used to love him the most. He was the second president of independent India and a distinguished scholar. Every successful person has some contribution from his teacher behind his success. Bhutan celebrates Teachers' Day on 2nd May, the birth anniversary of the third king for bringing modern education in Bhutan. Since 1962, we are celebrating Teachers' Day to commemorate the birth of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Students and teachers take off from routine classes and lectures and come together to celebrate the day. Students organize several felicitation events for their teachers and honor them for their dedication. Teachers' Day is a special day dedicated to the teachers for their contribution to society and nation. In India, a teacher is called a guru, and so Teachers' Day in India is an occasion of honoring the teachers. Schools and colleges remain open, but the teachers and students participate in recreational and entertainment activities. Teachers' Day in Nepal belongs to Guru Purnima on full moon day in the months of June to July. Students present several performances to entertain the teachers. A teacher usually takes a back seat and relax watching the students' entertaining performances. Some costumes may involve ritualistic veneration of the gurus on Teachers' Day. Students felicitate their teachers and thank them for enlightening their lives and minds. Students also give gifts and flowers to their favorite teachers and thank them for their love and dedication. No one can deny the fact that his teacher has greatly affected his thoughts and way of living. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe the channel and share this video among your friends and family. Like the video and press the bell for new videos notification. Thank you for watching this video.